Blessed morning, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Big Voice Radio in the building. You don't know anything going on. Today, we are going to talk about personal hygiene, because some people, believe it or not, them no love beard. You serious? They nasty bad. So, listen to the intro and me a come back to you now. Boom.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Alright. Today I want to talk about personal hygiene. As Jamaican we say, we are talking about to take care of yourself, to bathe, brush your teeth, wash your hair, and all those things. Personal hygiene. See? So, you know, as a youth, them say kids live what they learn. So, you have a lot of people. They might be adult, but literally, they are adult children. Them don't learn personal hygiene. Simple things like a personal hygiene, or you take care of yourself, or you bathe, or you groom, or you just take care of yourself personally, right? So, we just want to emphasize this. It is very important to be conscious, fully aware of how you carry yourself. You know, your clothes, your grooming, you know, just how you carry yourself daily, especially when you're in a public settings, especially when you're at work, or when you go a party, or when you go a event, even when you're in bed. Simply, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you need to do is spread your bed. Some people, believe it or not, them don't even know how to spread them bed. They don't like to spread them bed. If them mother no spread them bed for them, the bed no spread. Believe it or not. So, why me I tell a star? I don't know. That's why I have to big up my mother, you know. Mummy, big up yourself. If you watch the video, big up yourself. You do a great job. In terms of my mother's house, always clean. Mummy always a clean. Mummy always a wash. Mummy always a cook. Mummy always make sure say everything good. Mummy used to run with down, dig out with ears, clean out with ears. You know, say since me a big man, talking about clean ears, since me a big man now, a couple of years ago, my mother stopped calling me and asked me if I clean my ears. Remember me tell her, because that's how mommy used to be. And that's what parenting was all about. Make sure say your pitney them know exactly how to carry themselves. Personal hygiene is very important. And this video is not to talk down on anybody. This video is to motivate people, especially parents. You need to take the time to groom your kids, teach them personal hygiene. Because if they not bathe, them are go molly, them are go smell bad. People now go and be around them, because you have to understand, say, when a person meet you for the first time, they might go judge you after your first appearance, or your look, or your smell, you know, or you carry yourself, your body language. First impression lasts. So this is not being perfect, but it's being just carry yourself clean. You know, have it in a Gucci, have it in a Louis Vuitton, have it in a no brand. once you're in our regular shirt, because this shirt here is a regular shirt. This shirt here about, I say probably about $20 feet, $25 maybe. A cheap shirt that. I don't want $200 shirt this. About $25. But guess what? It look good and it smell good. So that I key is not the brand. Our name brand is how you carry yourself and how your personal hygiene. You get up, you spread your bed in the morning, you go take a shower, brush your teeth, wash your face. See? Eat your breakfast. Right? That is first thing in the morning. You're not supposed to get out of bed and don't spread it unless somebody else in the bed. My woman can tell anybody this. Once me come out of bed, it has spread. Unless she in the bed. Me tell her this, man. I me learn them thing there. Alright, me in a hotel. Literally hotel, you know. We in a spread hotel bed, you know. And when I was in COVID, back in 2021, and we have to quarantine and lock in the room and everything. Me get up every morning. I was in quarantine for 14 days. And me get up every single morning and spread my bed. Because that 14 days, that was my room. Even though it's a hotel room, that was my room. Me spread the bed every day. Even when the person them come, the female them come and them bring linen and them bring sheet and everything. And when them pull the door, I'm show them inside. They must say, you spread the bed? Me say, yeah. Every morning. They have to take off them one day, give them it, and then give me the new one them. Spread back the bed again. Once me come out of the bed, it has spread. Yes. Brush your teeth, wash your hair, take a shower. Put on deodorant. And remember, if you shower and don't put on roll-on, you are going to smell bad. Especially when you start sweat. Because you have to understand, say, when you sweat, it gives you an odor. So that is why you put on roll-on, so it can keep your sweat intact and give you a good odor. Some people, man, you're going to one crowd or somebody walk past you when you take a shower for your 2 days. And when they pass you, you have to look around. I wonder how I just pass you.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
If it's a garbage truck just pass you. Literally. Like, you wonder, really somebody come out in a public smelling like that, yo? And this is not to talk down on people, but people need to be conscious and fully aware of how you carry yourself. People are going to judge you according to how you carry yourself. Period. You need to bathe at least twice a day. You need to brush your teeth at least twice a day. You need to change your underwear every day. Every time you take a shower, you need to put on a fresh underwear. Believe it or not, some people will shower and put on but the same underwear. Can you believe that? You serious? Some people wear all one socks all 4 times. Once you put on the socks in the morning and take it off back, you know, if you put on back the socks there because your feet them sweat. Whether I smell or not, because me not carry smelly feet. But at any idea, if you wear socks over and over again, that sweaty socks is going to bring an odor. That's why you have stinking feet. It is crazy how parents don't teach them kids them thing. Really? That's why a lot of kids come on the internet and them thing there because them not have no real parents. They don't know how to carry themselves. So that's why I make them videos so people can learn things. And I'm not talking down on nobody. This is to motivate somebody. And this is to let people know so you need to be conscious of how you carry yourself, your personal hygiene, oral hygiene, in your mouth. Some people don't even brush them teeth, yo. When you look on them teeth, there be a food upon it. Them no floss. Them no go a dentist. Me a big man. In my 30s, and when me go a dentist, what, a week ago? And when the dentist clean my teeth them and everything, the dentist was going to do an x-ray. And the dentist said, no, Mr. Ling, you don't need an x-ray. So I said, yo, I want an x-ray if you see what I want. He said, everything is good. Nothing wrong in your mouth. Me have a hole of my teeth them same way. No cavity, nothing. And again, it doesn't mean if you have cavity or if something wrong with your teeth or if you lose a couple of teeth. That don't mean nothing. We are all human beings. We are going to lose them at some point. But we need to take care of them as much as possible. Until then gone, then just gone. All of we are going to dead one day. But we can learn how to take care of ourselves a little bit better, so we can be a little bit healthier, so we can live a little bit longer. So instead of it dead when you are 50, you can dead when you are 60, 70, or 80, or 90. You get what I say? So we have to just take up them things, man, and teach the youth them how to carry themselves, yo. And I have to give credit to my mother, especially because I grew with my mother. And whenever my father come from overseas and everything, them man they clean same way. When we go visit them man they always a cook. Them man they not go as fast food restaurant, none at all. You can't tell them man about McDonald's, you can't tell them man about KFC, you can't tell them man about none of them things there, yo. You have to give them man they cook food. Yam and banana and saltfish them man they like. See? My mother can't tell you that. My father, big up yourself. Anyway you're there. You can't carry the man they go KFC. You can't carry the man they go to a fast food place. The man they different. And me go a restaurant. Because enough time when me go, my kids them and my family we go out, go a restaurant. You know? And we have a nice meal, but me pick and choose when me eat. If a chicken and rice and vegetable, but me not like KFC and me not like fast food because it is not healthy. And that not means you can't eat one chicken leg. You can eat one chicken leg if you want. Yeah, because my mother, when me go out, my mother, we call and say, bring back this a KFC for me. So me say, what you want? Wings. You're serious? Wings are nice. She like the KFC wings. And in idea, there's nothing wrong with that. Because she not eat it every day. But in idea now, no female, them stop cook. They don't want to cook no food again. And they want to live at KFC, McDonald's, Burger King. Yo, you have to cook food. And if you don't cook food, you pity them. Them not gonna like cook food because them don't know it. Them are gonna want what them used to. So if a KFC, you give them a KFC, them are gonna want. If a burger, you give them a burger, them are gonna want. See? If you give them cook food from them smaller, cook food, them are gonna want. Because you have to understand, say, fast food, it tastes good, it's nice. See? Fast food tastes good, but it is not healthy, yo. So, back to the topic, personal hygiene. You have to remember to bathe twice a day, at least in the morning, when you wake up, and before you go to bed. You bathe twice a day. You brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss. Put on roll-on when you bathe. Put little lotion on your body. Put little cologne on your shirt if you want to, a little bit. Just feel, smell good and fresh. You have to groom yourself. If you grow your beard, you just trim it up a little bit. Because me have my beard, me have my locks. See? So, I work me I go right now. But me have to carry myself and way, same way. You have to know say you have to deal with customer. And you have to talk to the customer. So if you don't brush your teeth, you have to talk to the customer them face and know. Them are go wonder how I go on. So, personal hygiene, yo, don't forget, it is very important. Change your underwear them every time you shower. Change your socks daily. Me don't understand how some man all smoke cigarette and weed every day. And I drink rum every day. And you know brush your teeth. But you want to go talk in a woman face. And when the woman them a make up them face now, you a cuss. You a cuss and say them a disrespect you. No. And you nah do what you fi do. And stop the foolishness. Yeah man, but this video again, as me say, is to motivate people to do the right thing. Nobody no perfect. All our way is evolving and is a growing. We are growing process. So, personal hygiene. Take care of yourself. Bathe, brush your teeth, wash your hair, change your underpants and your clothes. Man, just take care of yourself. Do the right thing. Male and female. And before me left, you have some woman too. Then me walk up and down the whole day, I sweat and everything. And then now they go lie down with them man, or with them boyfriend, or with them husband. Same way.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
So what you expect you going to do? What you expect the man to go do? The man have to go probably put on a mask. Females, come on now. You know have to take care of, especially females. Personal hygiene for you guys. Every woman should bathe twice a day. Twice a day at least. Females, you know say me not tell no lie. And because I love you, you know I'm a subscriber, you know I'm a viewer, I respect you. So I just want to big up the whole of the real female them. You don't know, big up baby mother out there. You don't know, big up. Oh gosh man, I love you like cook food. Big up yourself, you do a good job. You know, over the years, with my kids them and everything. Big up yourself. Big up my mother. Oh gosh man, mommy man. Mommy! Big up yourself. I want to big up the whole of the solid man them out the same way. See, big up my father, big up the whole of the solid man them. I don't have to call on name, but big up on yourself, yo. Continue to show the youth them the right way and know say everything good. Big voice radio in the building. Press the like button. Press the subscribe button. And leave a comment. Let me know if I lie me I tell. Or if I real talk. Seeing? Big up on yourself. Enough love. Enough respect. I'm out.